Put that bad boy in. Yeah!
It's in! Look at that!
It's glowing!
It's glowing!
Yeah!
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 Woo!
Yeah! Hello everybody, my name is Bandi, and as you can probably tell, I just woke up. Today it is Tuesday, October 31st, Halloween, and I still don't have internet. As you guys know, Monday I didn't upload anything because I didn't have internet, and I still don't. Why? I don't know, but apparently I'm going to be getting it at 2 o'clock today, but that just isn't soon enough. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a video, because there's literally nothing else I can do. I can't play Roblox. I could probably play a different game. I could probably play a local game, but it's probably not something too interesting that you guys would really want to watch. And maybe some of you guys want to be some YouTubers. And I'll just show you guys all the kinks and show you guys a quick version of how I make videos, okay? Content! Who goes there?
Who's that?
Come here!
What are you doing?
It's Darren, one of our editors. Come on, Darren.
Hello.
First time on camera.
How's it going? I've never been seen before in my life. How you guys doing today?
He's beautiful.
Don't follow me anywhere, please.
Okay, so the first step of making a YouTube video is to find a game that you want to play. And I don't have internet right now, so there's not many games that I can choose from. One of the only local games that I have and that Steam will let me play right now is Garbage Day. I haven't played this. I'm pretty sure this was like the first game I ever played on this channel. So we're diving back into that, and we're just gonna mess around just a little bit just to get some footage so that we can use it in the editing process. Okay, so let's go. Sandbox. Here we go. Pick up the phone. Hello. That's not how you pick up a phone. What am I doing? Ah, get out of here, you stupid idiot. I thought I was gonna use a phone. This is a video game. I don't have time for that. All right, let's go outside. Chilly. What is this? Spinny boy. Stop spinning. Stop it. Oh, where did my book go? All right, I don't care about my book. I need a weapon, right? A Glock. Everybody loves a good all-natural Glock. Stop chasing me. You guys are mean. You down there. Oh yeah. You're running? Bam! Not no more. You down there? Look at those hands! Ah! No! Alright, I need one of you to come with me as soon as you stop jiggling on the ground. Please stop rotating your neck and hips. That's gross. Alright, I'm taking you with me. Inside my abode. Come with me, my little cherub. We're going inside. Come on. Try not to hit anything in your way in. Into my dungeon. Alright, now you can chill there. Stop jiggling! Stop! He can jiggle in there all he wants. I don't care. I just need to figure out how to move these bodies more efficiently. Maybe with the shotgun? Yeah, that's probably the best idea. Oh my god. His leg fell off! What? Why? Alright, I was gonna try to get somebody to kill me. Can you kill me, please? I'll just go over here. I'll just kill myself. Bada bing, a bada boom. We got a great gameplay. Now we gotta go over and start editing this bad boy. So, in the editing process, we're going to have to use our ears. So, I need to put on my headset. My editing software of choice is Premiere Pro. So, I'm gonna go into New Project, and we're going to name this Garbage. Yes. Garbage, yes. It's garbage. Yes, it is. Okay. So we're gonna wait for that to load up, and we need to listen very carefully to the first few clips that we drag in, because at the beginning of my videos, I do a, which is a sync clap to sync between my physical camera, because it's not a webcam and it won't be synced, and my microphone. So we open up Premiere here, and we need to get the footage that I just took off my camera while I was switching to the editing part. I took off the face cam footage from my camera. I'm taking that face cam footage and the gameplay footage, and I'm going to sync them together. So first I'm going to drag in the gameplay just so we have the correct dimensions for the game. Obviously, that's the main thing that we're focusing on, the game. So I have the game set up, and as you can see, I have two different audio tracks, but we really only need to focus on the first one. We need to look for those 3 or 2 little claps, which is right here, as you can see. There it is, okay? One clap right here. As you can see, I'm juggling between 2 frames. You can hear it. Clap, clap. Okay, that's the one. I'm gonna chop that out. Boom! And then we're gonna move that forward, and now I need to bring on my face thingamajig. I wanna pull this down so I can see the audio levels. There's my first 2 claps. Clap! There she blows! Clap, clap. All right, now I'm gonna bring these together, and as you can see, they are synced, but I'll have 2 voices, one audio from my main camera and then another audio from my actual microphone. Listen here. Okay, so the first step of and it sounds a little weird. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unlink my audio from my face cam, and I'm gonna delete that audio. And now I'm gonna get rid of the claps because I don't need to sync it anymore. As long as I keep these tracks all aligned and don't move them around, they should always be synced for the entirety of the video. So here we go, let's listen. Okay, so the first step of making a YouTube video is perfect. That's fantastic. You guys saw this footage earlier, and it's going to be edited by my boy Snips. He's more reliable than I am, and he has internet, so he can actually upload and stuff. So the next step of editing is we just gotta cut out silences. So this big old silent part right here, bam bam, bam bam, I'll cut that out. And then we do that. I also set up for like edits and stuff like that. So I'll just show you an example right now. Find a game that you want to play, and I don't have internet. And I don't have internet right now. When I say I, it's a little more pronounced. So what I'm gonna do is maybe put in a little jump there, and I'll put an incision in the footage, just a little chop, not to cut anything out, but just to tell myself later that maybe I'll put a jump there. And there you go. And then I'm gonna do this for the entirety of the video, cutting out silences, putting up pre-chopped sections, just so I have an easier time when it comes to editing. And I'm going to be doing that right now. Alright guys, so I've chopped a little bit of footage, cut out parts of me just breathing, parts that I'm silent, takes that I really didn't want, and now we have a couple of chunks here, as you can see along the bottom, that are pretty freaking nice. But now I want to set up the face box when I reference Garbage Day. So here we go. Right now is Garbage Day. And I have my face cam set up right here, and as you can see, I'm in a wicked small box because I have a bunch of different effects on here. I have a drop shadow that you can see this little edge right here, and you can see that it's cropped, which like shrinks my face down. But I want to go uncrop, and I want to put a mask on it. And masks and presets, something that I did, like watch this. If I just I can take the crop off, I can take the drop shadow off, and I can position this differently, and that's just my face cam right there. But I have presets. I can go down here and go to face box setup, drag that on. Oh, wrong face box setup. That's for the right side of the screen. I have left side of the screen, left side face setup. There we go. And now I'm on the top left side of the screen. Presets and masks and stuff like that are really freaking complicated. And if you guys want to learn more about it, I suggest you look up other videos on them individually. But what I'm going to do is go into this right now and paste a mask, and I can move the mask around, and it's just basically just the edge of my face cam, the way my face cam box looks. And I'll position it correctly. And now, here we go. Let's play it out and see how it looks. Play right now is Garbage Day. Pretty sure this was like the first. All right, that looks awesome. Freaking great. I'm an amazing editor. But honestly, the biggest part about the editing process is doing it a lot and knowing the tools you can use and the tools you can make. Like all of these tools on the left, from Cam Jump all the way down to Proc Boy, are things that I have made, along with some other things in this Q&A folder, vlog folder, reference folder, audio folder, are all things that I have made to help me make the videos that I want to make, how I think they should feel, and stuff like that. So once you do all the chopping, you need to edit. So I would suggest making presets. If you don't want to make presets, then you're going to have to use keyframes, audio effects, things like that. I'll show you an example of a keyframe jump. And I don't have internet right now, so there's not. And I don't have internet, what I was talking about earlier. And I don't have internet. So let's do right here at the beginning of this clip. We'll go up here into motion, position, scale, rotation. You don't need all of those checked off. I keyframe all of those just because I might need to use them. Who knows? Right now, I'm probably only going to make it like a zoom in. So it's only going to really need to use scale. So then I go 1, 2, 3 frames. And I'm going to change 100% of the camera to 120%. And then it zooms in. So let's see how it goes. 100% to 120% in the span of 3 frames. I use my arrow keys to go from frame to frame. So once I'm at the beginning of the clip, play, start. And I don't have internet right now, so perfect. You didn't edit. I didn't edit. That's how I do it. And if I did it the way I normally do, you guys wouldn't have any idea what's going on. All right, so the next step, you can either do this before you've edited or after you've edited. It doesn't really matter. We need the intro. And for the sake of the meme, we're going to be using the sketch intro. So here we go. In the sketch intro, here it is. We just dragged it in. It's not something I created, but it's a video file. I drag it in just like I drag in the face cam, just like I drag in the gameplay. So we'll watch it play out, and we'll wait for the very first scene where it reveals something, like it reveals the background. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so you can see this black bar behind the sketch logo. I keep backing it up, and this is the first frame where it reveals something. So I want to go with a frame before that, and I'm gonna cut it. Oh no, mistakes were made. I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna bring it to the very first part. So that means when, and I'll drag it out from that cut. I only cut it just so I knew where it should be. So that means the very first frame that it reveals, as you can see right there, you can see the top of my hat right there. And as it reveals the footage, I'm there behind it, instead of it being like this, where it's just a black screen and then I pop in after, you know what I'm saying? So let's just do that again really quick. Okay, so now we have an intro. The outro works almost the exact same way. We just need to find the first frame where the outro starts, put it at the end of the footage after everything's edited, after everything's chopped up, and then you have a scooch video. Mwah. All right, so once you've finished editing it, all that jazz, you want to export it, right? You want to make all this footage that we've collected individually and edited together, you want to make it one file that we can upload to YouTube. So what we want to do is make sure that there's no space at the beginning, you know what I'm saying? Because right here, it's looking like it starts at 6 seconds. So we're just going to make sure it's all moved over. File, we want to go to exporte a media, and then yeah, we just want to export, and then it'll load, it'll process, it'll export to wherever you specify, and then you can upload that bad boy to the internet, and everyone in the world will be whoa, yeah, it's crazy, right? Crazy, absolutely. Okay, if you guys really are interested in making videos for yourselves, please research this. It's really fun once you learn how to use everything. Putting in text, putting in pictures, music, all that is wicked cool. But that is it for the editing process that I'm going to show you guys for right now. But since I don't have internet, I can't really upload this video. So I'm gonna have to go to my boy Snips' house and bombard his estate and use his computer. Let's go! All right, everybody, we're on the way to Snipple's house because I don't have internet and he's the only one that can upload for me. We are going to get a video up today. If it kills me, it might just kill me. That's it. We can't use it anymore.
Oh no.
Copyright issues. Sorry, kids. We're here. Calling Snipples. I'm outside the crib. Snips! I'm outside your house. It just went flatline. Doggy. Doggy. I love you. Why are you running from me? I just have information. I have a flash drive. Do you want this? Why are you afraid? What? This is what we've been waiting for. The moment, Snips, here you go.
Thank you, sir.
The person with the internet.
I appreciate it.
Yes, there you go. Put that bad boy in. Yeah.
It's in. Look at that.
It's glowing.
It's glowing.
Yeah.
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 Woo!
Yeah. Elijah, what are you doing here?
No,
I didn't. What? When did you get here?
I don't know. I don't remember when. I just woke up here. I slept here last night with that dog.
You traitor.
I'm sorry. All right, everybody, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Later.